In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your outer tie rod on your Mazda 3. It's located behind your front wheel. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to take off our lug nuts. Make sure you hold on here. Make sure that wheel doesn't fall off on you. Take off your cotter pin using a pair of wire cutters. It's usually the best tool. I'm going to bend it back. And then you're going to grab it by the head of it. And pry it out. We're going to mark our tie rod so we know where to put it back. So that your alignment is not off. Using a 17mm socket, I'm going to take off this nut. Next, we're going to bang right here to free the tie rod from the knuckle. You can then undo the tie rod. Take it off the inner. Now we're going to install our outer tie rod. Just going to thread it on. I'd say about there is good. Hold it with a 17mm wrench and use your 22mm wrench to tighten up the jam nut. That should be tight and your line should line up. Let's put our tie rod in. You're going to turn your knuckle so it lines up. And put your nut on. I'm going to snug it up and then torque it. We're going to tighten this to 40 foot-pounds. And once you get there, you're going to see if your cotter pin fits through the hole. Ours does, so you don't have to go any further. If you find that it's not, then you can go tighter till you see the hole line up. Don't go looser. All right, so you're going to put that through. You're going to put the top over that, and then put this one around the side. If there's too much excess, you can cut it off or bend it down more. We're going to install our wheel now. I like to walk the wheel on. When you're tightening, make sure you go in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheel to 85 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern. Now you're going to want to take your vehicle down to your local alignment shop to get it aligned.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.